Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to load a CSV file using Pyspark, and let's fetch few records out of the data frame which we will create using Spark or Pyspark. Okay, so this is my CSV file and I have named it with name financial underscore data, and the file is been separated with comma for each of the column. And now I'm going to log in into the Spark environment. It will take few seconds to provide you the environment. Yeah, setting the logger, and yeah, we got it. So let's do one thing now. Let's declare a data frame as df, and so I'm writing spark dot read dot, and so we have to provide few options while reading a CSV file. For example, info schema. So I'm providing the first option as info schema as true. So if you provide an option as an info schema true, Spark and Zen framework is going to think intelligently and provide you the schema of your whole data set. For instance, if you have if you have the whole column with an integer, so Spark is going to read the complete column as an integer type. And if you have all the characters in a particular column, and it's going to think it as a string column. So I'm going to provide another option which is uh, header. So this property will be useful when you have an header in a particular CSV file. For example, if you are able to see the first line in this row, right, in this file, then it has a description or a explaining what the column in this file. And we should not have this actual header into the original data set or the rows of the data. So we have to skip that, and by mentioning the option header equal to true. So I'm going to provide another option while reading a CSV, that is delimiter. So we have to tell Spark that what is my file and what is been separated for each column. So I'm mentioning this comma, and now I'm going to mention another .csv here, and we have to provide our actual local environment path here. So I have copied my path already here, and I'm going to provide the necessary format, and yeah, I got the data frame now. It will just take 1-2 minutes. So it is reading the file now. Okay, yeah. So what happened just now is you cannot see the data actually by just doing the df, because Spark as an framework, it performs a lazy evaluation model. So until we perform any action on top of the data frame, it's not going to populate any data for us. So one of the action which we are going to now use is show, and as a default, show will give you a 20 rows at a time. And what we can do is we can even minimize the preview of the data. For example, I can just give 5. So it just gave you the 5 records out of the whole data frame. So friends, this is how we can read a CSV file and mentioning the all the properties, and if you have a file which has been separated with the pipe, and you have to just mention pipe as a symbol here in the delimiter option. So this is all how to read a file using the Pyspark, and thanks everyone for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.